make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, in this video we've got another model jet engine. We're going to try and run it on gas. This time I think we're going to put Stemp on the hot end. Go on Stemp, crack him open.
That's where the cheesy music comes in.
Pat's in charge of the build.
No, I'm not.
So we did do one of these before and it was actually quite epic. It sounded like it almost started up, but because I was holding the motor on there by hand, it went a bit sideways. I can put a link to that video up here and it kind of exploded just as it fired up. This time we're going to try and mount it all a bit more squarely, get it up some RPM and see if it's actually going to start up on its own power on the gas. What do you reckon?
The last split second on that video, and you can just hear it.
It just went zzz, boom.
I nearly got burnt now. That wasn't that clever.
We did, Pat.
I'm trying to build this because you guys are useless.
So the motor we're going to use to fire it up is a legendary Ripper. This goes to 50,000 RPM, and what that means is kaboom! Oh look, she's ready. Hit the button, Stem. Fast enough, boy, is it?
Nah.
What's it need?
A ripper.
It needs the Ripper. 50,000 RPM, baby.
Just gonna get it.
Alright, so here's what 50,000 RPM sounds like.
Is that it?
Stem, you're on the receiving end of this bad boy.
Can't we put more packs on this then?
This is 6S only.
Oh, we need some sort of 8 then, don't you?
8S, that's it. Yeah, we could do 8. I've got an 8S speed controller somewhere. Alright, so guys, Stempy said, why don't we do an 8S? I've got a Max 6 here.
Oh, brand new out the box.
Brand new out of the box.
Oh yes, get it on there then.
Go on, Stem, get it opened. Max 6, baby. Oh, alright, so we're going to put some wires on, and then we're going to get you back on. What's going to happen, Stem?
Well, hopefully it'll blow up, will it?
Get old Benjamin back on there. Alright guys, we're set up in here now. Last time we done it in there and it stunk us out, so at least now we can open the shutter, let all the smoke out. Bit of health and safety going on. This is a view that you guys are going to have. What's going to happen, Pat?
I don't know. We're going to 8S now.
I don't know if we're actually going to go full throttle on 8S. We're going to keep it going for a little while. I want to see if we can actually keep it going for a bit. I don't want to just blow it up straight away.
I want to see a disaster happening in here.
Oh dear!
Get in. Right, chaps, what's going to happen here then?
Well, I reckon first what we've got to do is I've got to feed in the power slowly.
I get on the gas.
Pat's in control of the gas.
I'm on the igniter, yeah?
I think start off with it upright,
Yeah.
just to get the gas flowing, get it lit, get it going, keep it running for a bit, and when it starts burning nice, I'll slowly start speeding it up and then just put it upside down and we'll just let it have it.
All right. Okay. Let's go for it then, man.
Juice in the engine.
Alright, I'm going to try and do this gradually.
Right. I'm giving it some gas.
So give it some free gas.
When do you want me to put this on?
Whenever you're ready.
Oh! Oh, I like that.
Smooth? Yeah. Smooth off. Upside out.
Everything upside down.
Oh, that's it. Keep it upside down.
Oh shit! It's full off, kid.
I've got fire extinguisher. Oh, it's off, it's off. We don't need it. We don't need it. What happened? What happened?
Oh my god.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant.
That lasted a while though.
Oh, dude, look how black that is.
Did you see the?
Oh, that's dead, bro.
Did you see the gas pooling up in the bottom? Like, oh shit!
Oh.
Dude, that ain't gonna go again, is it?
No, well, it might.
I don't know, will it? Oh, all that gas is leaking
Nah,
out of it,
she's
man.
done. She's done.
Is it? I think that's why. Is it locked?
Just get that shut open, man. Oh, she's melted. What's happened inside
I
it?
think it just got stuck.
I think our shaft's knackered, look.
That's all locked, isn't it?
Yeah.
Spin that.
What happened?
It broke. Kev broke it.
What happened?
It detonated, mate. Just
I reckon next time we might have to give it a bit more flames though. 4.2 times 8 and now times 2,000.
Times 2,000.
So 67,200 RPM that motor is.
Hold on, then gearing it in there 4 times.
Plus times 4,
again.
plus times 4.
That's cool.
Oh, over quarter of a million RPM. What I want to
Some
do,
pressure.
I want to see if we can get the engine running on its own power. So we're going to have to find a way of attaching that so we can pull it off. So once it's going, we can take it away and then see if it keeps going.